no! It's already 7!
Good morning, Annie. Morning, Mom. I'm running late again. Eat first. Try to come home early today. Try to come home early today.
Why?
Because we're leaving for your Uncle Smith's village this evening.
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
And don't be late.
I'll try, Mom.
Just do your best.
I will.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today is your scheduled quiz. Good luck, Annie.
Thank you, sir.
Time's up.
That was so hard.
That quiz was harder than I expected. I guessed half the answers.
How was it for you, Annie?
It wasn't too bad.
You're always prepared.
Not always. By the way, I won't be coming to university for 2 days.
Really?
Why?
I'm visiting my uncle's village with my parents.
That sounds fun. Take lots of pictures.
I definitely will. Have you taken all your luggage?
Yes, Mom. Here it is. This is beautiful.
We're almost there. Welcome!
It's wonderful to see you all.
Annie, this is my son, Alex. Hope you both will have a good time.
Hi, Annie.
Hi.
We are so glad you could join us today.
Thank you so much for having us.
It really is a beautiful afternoon.
Wow, these flowers are beautiful.
Thank you. You grew them? Yes.
They look amazing. You did a great job. So what do you study?
I graduated in biomedical engineering last month.
Really? Congratulations.
Thank you.
What are you doing now?
I'm working on some online engineering projects. What about you?
I'm studying MBS.
That's impressive.
I'm in my final year.
Future doctor.
Hopefully.
Want to see my favorite place in the village?
Sure. Wow, this is amazing.
I told you.
It's incredible.
Wait here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've never seen a place this beautiful before.
I used to come here and enjoy the beauty of nature.